my life before AA. I am a travel YouTuber. I have been for 12 years, nearly 12 years. And the problem is you don't make money on YouTube. You have to have a niche, a very well-defined niche. I don't have a product to sell, so there is no call to action. All I do is dish out videos and produce more videos. I have, 600 videos, something like that, but I make no money. It doesn't help if you don't have a guided plan. You have to have a strategy, and that's what AA provides. It provides a strategy. I know exactly what steps to take, and just having YouTube channel I have millions of views and I have hundreds of videos, but that doesn't help. That doesn't help. I was making 300 a month, and then the pandemic hit, and now I make less than 100. So it's pathetic. It's not a business model. You have to have some type of plan, and AA provides that. There's steps that you take to be successful. That's how I see it. And I know I will be, although I don't have a pop yet, but I will. The AA program will help me have the exact product that I need for my clients, the ones on YouTube that are saying in the comment, they're telling me in their comments what they need. And I never had a product to give back to them. I have plenty of videos, plenty of information, but no transformation. So this is what AA is going to provide for me. This is how I will be able to be successful, because I will have a well-defined product that my viewers will love, because it's exactly what they've been telling me in the comments. So that's why I'm in AA, to come up with this product that my viewers can enjoy and solve a problem for them. That's what I want. I want life to be easier for them. I've provided all this information for them to make life easier, but I want to go further, and that's what AA will provide. Well, like I said, I don't have a course yet. I don't have a pop yet, but some of after doing the ICAs, I was able to define my niche further. And some of these people are actually asking, how's the program going? Are you finished with the course? So they're even asking for it. So I have to do a lot more ICAs, but at least I've done a few and they've helped, and people are asking for the program. It's starting to rain. This is real life, but we're not going to be perfect here, right? If you're considering AA and you're not sure, ask yourself these questions. Do you want freedom with your time? Do you want to offer something that will make a difference to people because it's something you're passionate about? Because it's something you've lived, or you've helped somebody else find a solution to something? Something that's transformative. It's not just like a product that you're selling. It's a product that means something, that's important to you or will be important to your clients. So think about that. That's quite something. It's not just anything. It's something that's really thought out, something that will make a difference, that will be transformative. Consider that. And if you like that idea, then go for it. Do it. Sign up.